Hugo, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to send over those 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition. Really get your phone ringing off the hook and help grow your business here. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking at your site. First thing I'm actually going to be going over is content. Google loves words. The more content you have on here being really authoric in who you are and what you do, that's the person that usually wins at the end of the day. So really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, so that way you can actually layer in those keywords. That's how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found. Even these images right here, this is all content. You got tile, bathroom floor, decor, some numbers. You can actually switch that out, put keywords, buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings and help you draw in more leads. If I go inside of Google here and type in tile Dallas, this is what you're going to see. You have this little map pack here at the very top. Tons of businesses competing to get to the very top 3 sections where all the traffic actually happens. You can see all the businesses, even the multiple pages as well. But to get the very top where all the traffic happens, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what you'd want to do is come in, go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and completely annihilate our competition. So we want to go do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, and does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here. Underneath this map pack, we have all that organic traffic. This right here is the first page of Google. And really to find your pages here, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately driving traffic to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Let me go ahead and get one of your... If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you don't have any backlinks coming in yet, nor organic keywords, and no traffic coming to your site. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is Arizona Tile, which their location is actually in Dallas. So they have multiple locations, by the way. Just kind of showing you what they got going on. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. They got 35 referring domains, 90 backlinks. They had historically over 800 there. 186 keywords they're being found for, which they're getting 253 clicks to their site every month. You can actually come in and see where people are actually clicking from. So these are the keywords. This is how his website's actually being found. This is the position and also the amount of traffic as well. So we do like Arizona Tile, Dallas, Texas. That's a really buyer's intent keyword there. There's 40 clicks on average every month. They're first position, so they're getting 16 clicks out of the 40. Tile, Dallas, Texas, another 80 clicks, 11 clicks from that 80. Tile companies in Dallas, another 90 clicks. Tile showrooms, Dallas, another 100 clicks. Dallas Tile, another 50. Tile store Dallas, another 60. So really coming in, finding all these different keywords that's just going to help you increase your total volume. That's how you're going to get your phone start ringing off the hook, is just by increasing that traffic to your site. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and think that I feel that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to play, or if you just want to put these 3 tips to your on your site yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be great. Thanks. Have a good day.